Hi, this is Ms. Cox, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to add RSS feeds into your Conduit mobile app. RSS feeds are a great way to bring new news into your apps or into a website you're designing by really just copying and pasting a link that links to that feed, and what's great about it is it will automatically update when somebody adds a new blog post, for example, to their blog feed. But the hard thing is, it's not just their website. So let me show you some examples. First off, you've seen my app before. I have the LA Crafter app, and I have one feed that's working well. The Sprite Stitch feed works well, and there's some cute graphics that should pop up. But the Geek Crafts feed and the Make feed are not working very well. So I'm going to take a look at these, and I can show you a couple things. So first off, here you'll notice that the website is actually, for both of these, Feed Burner, and we're going to talk about that. That's actually one of the websites that manage feeds. Now, what I did here, the Make blog, that feed is actually not working because I just copied and pasted the website. And you can't just copy and paste the website of a blog in order to get the feed. So let me show you how to find these actual feeds. First off, my blog is about crafts, so I'm going to do a search for craft blog. Sure. And, let me take a look at this first one. Top 5 must-read craft blogs. Let's see. Today's creative blog, Dollar Store Crafts. Ooh, I like Dollar Store Crafts. So I'm going to click there, see what they've got. Now, first off, this looks like a blog. I see posts, they're all dated, there's comments and view numbers. So this is clearly a blog. Now, there's an icon you want to look for in order to get to the feed. Right now I could copy and paste this, but as you'll see, if I add this and paste this in, it will not load. So here, and I can change the name to Dollar Store. Oh, you know what? I'll change it to Money Store. How about that? There you go. Now, this is not loading either because I've just copied and pasted the website. Now, to find the feed, here's what you need to do. You need to look for the RSS icon. It's orange and it has a little white kind of radiation symbol, like there's waves radiating outward. Do you see it on this website? It's right here, this orange icon with the little, almost like Wi-Fi bars or something. This is the RSS feed icon. If I click on that, now up here I have the actual RSS feed. I can copy and paste that. I can copy and go over here. And instead of it being Dollar Store Crafts, I paste it in. And now it should load up with the feed. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! It worked. So now I have the actual feed coming in. And this one's good. It has pictures. Perfect. Now, let me show you another example. So let's go back to this list. Let's go to this last one, Make and Takes. So here's another craft blog. Now, where is the RSS button here? Why are you? Go away. No thanks. So here's their website, and here's the RSS feed icon right here. Sometimes you have to look around the whole website, sometimes it's on the bottom, but basically you have to find that orange icon. Once you do, you copy and paste the link up here after you've clicked on it, and that's the RSS feed. Now, you guys ready for the confusing part? Some websites don't actually have that nice little RSS icon. And that's when things get a little more tricky. So you'll notice here, as a reminder, this is the RSS icon. That's why it's popping up here. It should probably say, unless you've changed it already, RSS feeds. I changed mine to craft ideas because I was thinking that made more sense. But basically, if you don't see that icon, it doesn't mean there's no RSS feed. It just means they're not advertising it. There are other ways of finding the feed. So let's go find the feed for this website. And I'm going to show you what this website looks like. Now, this is a really cool website. I love this website. They have really cool, I've said really cool too much. Here's the craft one. They have awesome craft projects, really neat stuff. I love this blog. But if you look around the website, there is no RSS icon. Even down here, no RSS icon. There's a lot of other stuff, but I don't see RSS here. So what do? Well, I like this website called rssmicro.com. This allows you to do a search for feeds. So I'm going to copy this URL, paste it here, and then do a search, making sure I've selected feeds. Now, oh, this is depressing. This didn't work out. Let me try, instead of just the craft design, let's see if I can just search for the normal blog. Okay, so here it looks like there's some different options. I can, the Maker Shed store, I probably don't want the store's feed. The Make Zine Online, their magazine online, that's probably what I want to subscribe to. Oh, Craft Post, here we go. Why didn't that work before? Craft sign. Let's see, maybe it just didn't. Well, this is a good lesson. So if it doesn't work, if you have a long URL, you might just want to shorten it down to the basic part of the URL. And basically it'll show you all the different websites that have, it'll show you all the different feeds connected to that website. So I want the feed for the craft posts. Now, if I click on this, it'll take me to the page. That's not helpful. I want the feed. So here's the feed right here in green. It also rates the feed, which is nice. This is a 7 out of 10, so it's a very good feed, whatever they use to score it. I will say that makes me happy to see. And then over here, instead of just copying and pasting the website, I'm going to paste in the feed. And let's see. Oh, there it is. So now it's working. Woohoo! The only one that's not working is the Geek Crafts one, which is weird because the images aren't showing up. It's the right feed, but no images show. So honestly, I'm just going to delete that because it's less attractive. You know, you want your apps to look good. So now I have 3 different blogs, all with different ideas, and they all have images, which makes their posts much more attractive. So I'm pretty happy with this. In upcoming recordings, I'm going to show you more about feeds that are podcasts, because you'll notice there are media RSS feeds as well. So sometimes you have a feed that's not just a blog. Sometimes you have a feed that is a podcast or something else. So next up, I'll be talking about those kinds of feeds. So thank you for watching.